Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. So in today's lecture I'll be telling about how to create the sheets, as I have completed the full project, but I have not applied here loads. So before applying the various type of loads and doing the analysis, I have created here simply the modeling part, and in this modeling part I need to create the sheets as well for the different views. As you can see here, these are the various views: column plan, foundation plan, beam plan, slab plan. So I need to show all this. So for that, what you need to do is you have to simply go to the sheets. In the sheets you have to right click it and you have to create new sheets. So in the new sheets, A1 is present and A1 is present and none is, so you need to click on load. After clicking on load, you need to go back. After going back, you need to go to the annotations, boundaries, columns, title box. In the title box, the A0 paper is present, so you need to select on the A0 metric size. After selecting A0 metric size, now click on OK. Now I'll click on OK. After clicking on OK, the metric this is my A0 size paper. In this A0 size paper, I will now import all the plans. So first let me go to the column plan, or simply what you need to do is simply go it here in the A0 size paper. After going to the A0 size paper, simply click it here and drag it. After dragging it, the diagram will automatically gets imported to the paper. This is my column plan. Now next I need to drag the foundation plan. So this is my foundation plan, the next one. Now I need to drag the beam plan. Now I'll drag the slab plan. So this is how, as you can see here, I have imported all my plans here. So this one is my column plan, this one is my foundation plan, this one is my beam plan, and this one is my slab plan. So everything now I have imported, but one part is remaining, and the remaining part is you need to go to the foundation plan. After going to the foundation plan, you need to go to the column plan. After going to the column plan, what you need to do is you need to simply zoom a simple column. After zooming a simple column, you need to go to this view, and here as you can see, I don't have to show the reinforcements of the column. I need to show the reinforcements of the foundation. So let me go to the foundation. After going to the foundation, suppose this one is my foundation. After going to this foundation, I need to show the reinforcement detailing of this foundation. So what I need to do is I need to go to this view. After going to this view, as you can see here, the call out is present here. You need to select in this rectangular call out. After that, you will select the rectangular call out. in this manner. After selecting this rectangular call out, this bubble is present here. Simply double click in this bubble. After double clicking in this bubble, you can see here this one is the view of the foundation. Now this one is the stretching part. As you can see here, the box arises. This box you can even stretch it or stretch out. Similarly, this box you can stretch out, as well as this box you can stretch out. Okay. This is the view. After that, after this view is present in the columns, you can show here all the highlighted values. Okay, like you can show the dimensions, like you can show the dimensions, or you can show. For that, what you need to do is you need to right click on it, override graphics in view element, then make it transparency, make it fully transparent. Click OK. Now it's visible. Now after that, you have to go to the annotate and you have to go to the aligned, and now you need to give the dimensions, simply like from here to here, what are the dimensions from, then after that the dimensions of the, now the next dimension is the dimension of from here to here. Now the dimensions of the, now what is the diameter, now the diameter of this full here, its diameter, its dias. So this is how we'll show the view. So let me minimize it. So this one is the view. So what I will do is, again I will go to the paper. After going to the paper, I will, this one is the call out view. So here I will again import it. So this one is my call out view. So hope it's clear to all of you. So this is how you need to import the full diagram to the A0 size paper. So hope it's clear to all of you. So if there is any kind of doubt, then you can ask me in the comment section. And thanks for watching my videos. And if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel in order to get the latest updates on the various kind of softwares, as I am going to teach a lot of civil engineering softwares and architectural software. So stay tuned to my channel. So thank you once again for watching the video. Have a nice day. Take care.